that shit together for a chop. I put that shit together for a chop. If I'm not.
Yo, oh. Alright guys, so today we're continuing the build series on my 2023 Elantra N, and we're finally fixing all the issues that we have with it, so let's get right into it. You guys want to see what's inside the box. And these are the upper and lower engine mounts and the transmission mount that we're going to be installing today. So, you know what, let's get right into it. What to do is just do the bolt like that. So it says online, well, there's no instructions online. It says you got to grease it up, so I just put grease on everything. So first you're just going to put the spacer in, and then we're going to put this top side down. Alright, so we finally torqued this one down to spec. We greased it all up. But all I gotta say is we got a scratch here, a scratch here, and a scratch here. And all I gotta say is the Ryobi drill would not have done this to me. Everyone in the comments, use the Milwaukee. Scratched my whole car. So lesson of the story, make sure you guys use Ryobi drills, not this hunk of junk. So yeah, should we just, you know. Alright guys, we're back, and today, we're going to be fixing my Elantra N today. So today we're going to be addressing and fixing the issues with the wheel hop and the whole tire. I did start a couple days ago. We did try and fix the issue, but it started to rain. We had the wrong tools, so we put the one in. I'll show you guys with the video, and now we're going to do the other ones. Then after that, we're going to do a 0 to 60. I got some stuff to tell you guys later in the video, but stay tuned. Let's go do that. If it's a good or a bad sound. And yes, for anyone wondering, why am I doing this? Why am I jacking up my car in the middle of the driveway at 12:23 on a Saturday? Well, that's a great question because I don't know. Actually, no. The real reason is it's going to help with the, as I said, the wheel hop. It's going to help with the, the tires slipping and everything. But the real reason is it's going to help the 0 to 60, and just that it just. If you ever drove one of these cars, you know that harsh banging and smashing you get, like it feels like the engine's like smashing the firewall. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna get rid of that, and it's gonna make a much better drive. So, let's continue doing this, and let's see how we go. We got it all. All right, guys. So I want to address some stuff. So recently, we've been working on the build. I have a bunch of videos I want to film on the car, obviously, but yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff coming in the pipeline. We're making some parts for the Elantra N. I know that's something big that's coming on soon that I'm designing. For this car, I want to take this car and make it into basically a street legal race car. I want to make it look like the TCR car. It's going to be sick. We're going to be working on that soon. Parts will come out. If people want them, maybe I'll make them. You guys can buy them off me, whatever. But yeah, so that's one big thing that's coming soon. This is the original mount for the transmission. You have to use a 17mm bolt to get that out, and then I'll show you in a second. The new mount has a special stainless steel plate that we got to put on. And in the box, you just get the new mount right here. I guess this is what it's made out of, polyurethane bushing, and then here's the new, I guess, plate we're gonna bolt onto it. The black ones mean that they're more of a track focus, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so off camera I wound up pushing it in. As you can see, it wraps around the mount, cradles it in there really good. And now all we have to do is take the mount here, and we're going to take the original hardware and bolt that in. So alright, so we're torquing it down to 79 foot-pounds of torque on both bolts. That's for the bottom. Boom. Alright, and just like that, now they're both torqued to spec. We're going to pop the cover back on, pop the tire on, lower the car, and now we're going to finish up with the lower engine mount. 2 days later. Alright, I can already see the keyboard warriors typing away, but yes, I got another Ryobi drill, just because I know you guys loved it so much in the last video. All the Milwaukee fanboys were just loving this drill. But yeah, so I got another one, so we're going to use that to get off the lower engine mount. So for like the third time this week, we got the car jacked up, fully lifted off the ground, if you guys can see that. And now, we're going to take the wheel off and just, look, I'll show you. Right there is the... We got out our lower engine torque mount, and right here we got our polyurethane bushings from PowerFlex. And so we're gonna take these out, replace them with the new ones, and get throw right back in the car. So let's do that. The rubber is literally split. I don't know if you guys can see that. Fingers in the way, but the rubber is literally split right here. Let it focus. And the new one's all solid. So thank God we changed it, because that's what supports the lower engine mount. So we torqued it all down. Now it's ready to go in the car. Alright guys, so after almost literally 5 days of trying to put all the bushings on and everything, finally we finished it today. I don't even know what it is. Was it 5:40 on Monday morning? So, yeah, exactly. Been doing it too long. Monday night. We're gonna go get gas because, let me get the camera real quick. Yeah, we have literally less than E. So, we're gonna go to the gas station real quick, fill up, and then we're gonna go drive around and see, did it really make a difference? I can already feel the steering wheel is vibrating more, so we'll see if it changes at all, if they need to wear them in or not, but let's go to get some gas. I might as well live at this gas station.
Yo, how much are you putting in?
Great question. Let's see how much $20 gets us. Look at that, not even half a tank, $20.
Yeah. I told you it was like 2 gallons. Ooh, you can hear the gas.
Alright, first test. Zero tires spinning, that's crazy. That's actually crazy.
Smile.
There's barely any tires for now that the tires are getting warm.
Only if you hit a bump.
Oh yeah. It's like the Jeep. The new mounts. Or bushings, whatever you
definitely feel a difference, to be honest.
Put the window up so they can actually hear what's going on.
You do feel a difference. I mean, I don't feel the wheels. They don't hop anymore. They barely slip. And when you put the PS4S's on, ooh, maybe I shouldn't have said that. But it's gonna be like glue on the road.
Yeah, I know.
Guys, by the way, this car is actually Andrew's favorite type of car. If you ever see one of these, like, send him a picture of it.
Yeah, if you know, you know. I'm not gonna get into that. Yeah, but oh, look, an underpass.
It's long.
Oh man, like, you know, I for some reason my car is stuck in the downshift mode. I don't know what it is. Oh no. Oh no. My foot is. Look, there's literally traffic on the highway. Oh, it's not a cop. Okay, maybe. That's mine. Yo, see if he wants to smoke. Thanks. See if we can get it. Oh,
You are exceeding the speed.
no, come back. You think he wants it? I was gonna give him a race. Well, I was gonna give him a race, guys, but he didn't want it. A quick pull to the speed limit, see who's faster, but we're gonna go try to find somewhere to do a 0 to 60 test, because on this road is ridiculous. I'm on the highway going 20 miles an hour, so. GTR. Should we try to catch up? always the Mercedes. Yeah, yes, thank you. I'm pretty sure he knows who I am because we've met before in Jersey at a car meet at like 1 a.m. in the morning.
So guys, me and Andrew were talking about this the other day. Do you think that the Nissan GT-R V6 is the best V6 in the world? I say yes, and he didn't agree with me. So I want to know what you guys know. Let me know in the comments. What is the best V6 engine ever built?
That's what you gotta do. I'm telling you.
Did you get it better?
No, not at all. It's actually worse. It was actually better when you were in it. Right, activate the 0 to 60. Let's set it. All right, guys. Just to let you know, there is a tire in the back, 2 people, yada yada. So this is. Oh wait, we're not even in.
Not octane load, not on sport tires, not in N mode.
Yeah. What? The car just.
Expand.
5.3. I mean, not bad.
Well, you know, my fatness helps, I guess.
Well, not even that. I think we need to change the tires. We gotta get it ready for summer.
You know what I think you need, dude?
What?
Titanium mid-pipe.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna head home. There's no point of me trying to fight traffic to get this video. I'm just trying to get the video out to you guys. But, yeah, so there's no point in me fighting traffic. I'm gonna get maybe another flyby, whatever. You know, with an engine mount, it's a upper and lower engine mount, transmission mount. What am I really gonna be filming on it, you know what I'm saying? The thing is, this video's been taking way too long to film. I just want to get it out, whatever it is, it is.
Mile traffic light camera ahead.
Ford Lightning.
Yeah, Ford Lightning, garbage.
Worst truck ever.
But yeah, so we're just trying to get this out. Whatever, if it's subpar, it is what it is. But we got more mods coming literally tomorrow, so we're gonna go. I don't know. And here's the thing: they come in tomorrow, and it's gonna rain, and it's gonna rain the next day, and it's gonna rain the next day. But whatever, we're gonna try to fight through it. All right, so we finished everything up. Here's the upper one. You guys can't see the lower one. I was throwing a picture of the lower one. And then, as you probably can look right here, where that purple sticker is, let me see if it focuses. Right there, that is where the transmission is. Now that we got that all done here, finally we got it all done. And I was thinking the other day, there are some things I want to do to the car. Now you're probably like, what do you want to do to the car? Well, I want to do some custom things to the car that's no one's seen before. I want to turn this thing into looking like the TCR race car. So what I was thinking was, actually, I'm going to hold that on you guys a little bit, but it's something to do with a little over here, the hood, the front of the car. It's a lot of it to do with the front of the car. I want to design some custom parts for it. And maybe if you guys really like it, I'll even make them if you guys want to buy them. But for now, I'm designing everything up. We're gonna test fit some stuff, and then you'll see some videos on it. But other than that, it's been Andrew, and I gotta go.